So I just bought this new shower head. The young people in my home love to listen to music while they're in the shower, so I bought this. It lights up with the pressure of the water. I thought I was trying out something new. I bought these new shower curtains. They go from the ceiling to the floor, just trying to do something a little fancy. You know what I'm saying? They're really just curtains and not shower curtains, but I like them anyway. And this is the towel. I used to decorate my bathroom, but the young people in my home, they just take my towels and just use them because they forgot to use a towel before they got out the shower. And yeah, that's me.